Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. My name's Ben and this person, a little bit camera shy today, is Luxie. Today we're going to be looking at some breath work, a Sama Vritti Pranayama. Now, Sama means same or identical, and Vritti is action or movement. So what we're looking to do today is create an equal action with our breath. And the breath has 4 parts, and we're going to really focus in on those 4 parts today. So we're going to think about the inhale, the hold at the top, the exhale, and the hold at the bottom. And throughout the video, we'll try to create an equal duration of inhales, holds, exhales, and holds. Now, it may be that today's practice for you is just concentrating on equal inhales and exhales and not even thinking about the retention just yet. And that's fine. That's actually really great because there's no real end goal with this. We just want to try and bring more awareness and more intention to our breath, to see how that feels in our bodies. And every day is different. So we'll work through this breath work together, and I invite you to lie down. If this is your first time doing breath work, feel free to lie down, find a really comfortable position. If you're happy in a seated position with crossed legs, then lengthen up and out through the crown of your head and gently close your eyes. Use this time to release any tension from your shoulders, from your neck, from your hips, and all the way down through your legs. Really scan your body and let go of any tension that's not serving you right now. Take a deep inhale in through the nose. Exhale, open mouth, let it go. One more deep inhale, fill the lungs. Exhale, sigh it out. Now let's switch to nostril breathing. So just take some deep breaths in and out through the nose. Soft inhales and soft exhales. Slow down the breath. Okay, perfect. Now let's bring some awareness to the duration of those inhales and exhales. So what we'll do is together we'll breathe in for a count of 6 and exhale for a count of 6. Okay, find that comfortable position, close your eyes, and we'll inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale 2, 3, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue on your own, focusing on deep inhales, nice soft exhales. And on your exhale, slowly open your eyes and meet me here. We'll bring some awareness back to the body, check in, see how that feels. Have we created any more space in our chest, in our lungs, throughout our whole body to really breathe into? Are we able to keep releasing any of that tension that isn't serving us right now? And let's proceed with the next stage of this Samavriti pranayama by holding for a count of 2 at the top. Okay, so find that seated position once more and close your eyes. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2. This time hold for a count of 4. And hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3, 5, 6. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. Hold at the bottom for a count of 2. And inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 4, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Let's hold for a count of 4 at the bottom. And hold. 2, 3, 4. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 5, 6. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2. And take a deep breath in. Sigh it out, let it go. One more deep inhale in. Exhale, let it go. Okay, use this time now to check in with yourself once more. How do you feel? We're about to go into the final stage now of this pranayama, where we'll hold the inhales, the holds at the top, the exhales and the holds at the bottom for the same amount of time. So if up to now this has felt challenging, then I'd invite you to just observe for this and really concentrate on just finding that equal inhale and exhale movement. But if you felt comfortable up to now, then let's go for equal holds and inhales and exhales. Okay, so find that comfortable position once more and gently close your eyes. And we'll inhale for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. Continue on your own. Make this the final round. And when you're finished with your last hold on your final exhalation, meet me in your comfortable position with closed eyes. We'll take one last deep inhale together. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale, sigh it out. Last one. Inhale deeply, fill the lungs. Exhale, open mouth, let it go. And if you haven't already, then open your eyes. Thank you, everybody, for joining me today in this pranayama breath work. I hope that it brought some clarity back to your bodies and some intention on the breath, creating just those simple things like the same inhales, the same exhales. They can really bring some awareness back to the breath and let us know that we're in control. So know that you can come back to this practice, but also this video at any time you feel like you need it. And if you think that anybody close to you might also benefit from this type of breath work, then please share this video with them. That would really mean a lot to me and Loxy. Alright, thank you very much once again for joining us today, and we'll see you very soon in the next video.